Alright, what's up, y'all? Y'all know what it is. Your boy's on the prowl for another taste test. Now, I'm gonna go on and just get straight to the point. I'm about to hit this, what this is, Moe's Southwest Grill. I messed around and I guess I was a good plantation worker today at work. And one of the supervisors gave me like a little free lunch card for Moe's Southwest Grill. And we finna go in here and taste test one of their wraps or either one of their bowls. To be honest, even though it's more or less like a traditional restaurant now, probably like, you know, McDonald's, Burger King, we finna see what this thing talking about, funky bit. Alright, y'all, we done went in. And I ain't gonna even lie, y'all, I know this gonna be a good meal simply because all I supposed to got with this bowl right here. I never ate at Moe's before, like I told y'all. So when I went in, they put the food in the bowl for you, but they have like, man, 20 dishes. You can pick all 20 from 3, 4, 5 different types of meat to like all types of cheeses and veggies, stir-fried onions and bell peppers. So I had a card that only allowed me to get the bowl, but they seen I had my work vest on and they figured I was a good hard working man. Look at this, y'all, look at this. So they blessed me with the tea free and a big bag of what we got here, tortilla chips to go with the bowl. Big bag. I'm talking about this a big king size bag. So we gonna see what this bowl here like, y'all. Let me check it out. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna come back here. Let's check it out. Got the rice, the dirty rice in here. Yeah, these bags so big I can save some of these for tomorrow. Real talk. So on a scale of 1 to 10, tonight this particular Moe's Southwest Grill, they get a 10. Yeah, they get a 10. Well, I'm gonna get up with y'all, funky bit. I never ate here before, man, but guess what? This particular Moe's in Alpharetta, they get a 10 from me tonight. Because not only was the bowl fat and good, not only did they hook me up, they gave me some free stuff. So yeah, they get a 10 from me tonight, man. I'm gonna get at y'all, funky bit.